Hey, it's another rockin' day. You know what I notice? Sometimes I shut down the beep. I hear a little distortion. That's quite alright. The Osmo Action 4's got two beeps when it shuts down, and the tones. And when you listen to it to a different angle, you can hear the separation of the two tones. When will DJI understand to make a speaker as a microphone? To utilize that's been around for over 15 years. Oh, I'm sorry, 10 years. I made a mistake. Well, I heard GoPro improved their sound quality by offering you more. Even with the media module on the 12. Now you have front and back. That's something we've been asking for since the very beginning of the media module of the GoPro Hero 8, 9, 10, 11, and the 12's got it now. Well, I am most sure sales are rolling in with the Osmo Action 4, and I cannot wait to see what the Osmo Action 5 is going to be looking like. Some of the real dirt cheap cameras, they got a front and rear camera, so you could do two pictures. How do you like that? I don't think there's anything more that we can do that you want to get an Osmo Action 5 and wait till next year, because the Osmo Action 4 is today, does that job for you. Well, I'm Fish. I'm out of here. Got a lot to do, a lot to get done, a lot to share. If you are considering subscribing, come on down. I'll give you a bagel. Oh, yeah. On that note, I'll catch you all later, and many other videos to come.